Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q2 S line. It comes dressed in the stunning Daytona Grey colour, sure to turn heads when on the road. And at the time of this recording, the vehicle has done just over 61,644 miles. Standing on an impressive 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-spoke wide design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. As you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat-bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Now, one of the main features is the panoramic glass sunroof, allowing natural daylight to flood the front cabin. And as you sink into the driver's seat, with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as maps, telephone connection to keep in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone. To use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Into Maps to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 12-volt and USB charging point, 2 cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and the MMI multimedia display control pad. This approved used Audi Q2 S line is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.